y'all, it's All of Destiny. So listen, my hair has not been washed in 2 months. I've been wearing the same press-on nails for about 4 weeks, and my bedroom, especially my bedding, could use a quick refresh. So today's video is going to be a full reset. I washed their routine, refreshing my bedding, and we're about to try out these $7 press-on nails. So while I have your attention for the next 20 minutes, let's go ahead and hop into this reset. And by the end of this video, I hope you feel motivated to tackle your reset too.
That's just how I'm living. Money and pretty women, honey's and fitness. That's all I'm getting. That's just how I'm living. Money and pretty women.
Hi. I just finished my workout. I'm getting ready to shower and also go ahead and wash my hair. This will not be a straight to curly because my hair is no longer straight anymore. I've been working out and I got a sauna now, and the struggle between wanting to keep your hair done week by week by week, but also trying to stay active and work out and sweat, it's a struggle. Starting out first with this bonding and strengthening pre-treatment. I am going to be kind of mixing brands just based on what I want to use today. What's over Destiny, she'll do her thing. So while I get everything set up to film, since this needs to sit for 3 to 5 minutes, it'll give me time to multitask real quick. Since this needs to be applied onto damp hair, I'm gonna just use a spray bottle to dampen my hair and put the pre-treatment on for 5 minutes. I'm so excited to wash my hair. Like, I got my hair straightened out on New Year's Eve. Have not washed it since. It's February.
Oh my god, ew, oh my god.
Judge me if you want engagement. So I just got a package from L'Oreal. It's their new Elvive line with shampoo, conditioner, and a hair serum. Let's see how this works and try it out in our wash day today. And boom, just like that, the water touched my hair, so my curls are back. But no, I have not washed my hair in about 2 months, y'all. I literally stretched my silk press that long. Don't judge me. But I'm starting off with a clarifying shampoo. I like using this one by Olaplex whenever I feel that my hair needs that extra deep clean. And stretching a silk press for 2 months, yeah, it calls for a little clarifying. I like to follow up with my shampoo brush, and I just kind of do this in circular motions across my scalp. It's good for exfoliating, for increasing circulation. It also just feels really good. So my second shampoo is actually a ketoconazole shampoo that was prescribed by my dermatologist for my scalp psoriasis. I feel like it works really well for me, especially along with the scalp injections that some of y'all may have seen in my other videos, like my maintenance videos when I take you all with me to my appointments. And this shampoo has to sit for about 5 minutes. So while I'm waiting, I might as well be productive while the shampoo is kind of doing its thing. And this is the part where washing my hair in the sink usually comes in handy because I can just walk away for a second. There's not always a third shampoo in my routine, but I will say this, the ketoconazole shampoo isn't moisturizing. It's just really meant to target the psoriasis. So I do like to follow up with either going directly in with my conditioner, or sometimes I'll use another shampoo that adds moisture back into my hair before conditioning. I'm going to be trying this one out for the first time. This is a moisturizing shampoo from L'Oreal, L'Oreal Elvive Glycolic Plus Gloss line. So it's supposed to give you 14 times smoother hair and instant high shine. So I wanted to give it a try, and the packaging is pink. Y'all know pink is my favorite color, right? But no, stay on topic. My hair felt more soft and moisturized while using this shampoo. After that, I went in with the matching conditioner and I let that sit for the recommended time, and it actually made my hair feel really soft and easy to detangle. I could literally run my fingers through my curls with just my hands. But I also think that comes from not balling my hair up the way, you know how you see it on the shampoo commercials? No, girl, you gotta let your hair hang. Let it hang in the shower. But overall, first impression so far, I think I like this line. The shampoo does what it's supposed to do. The fragrance notes is cedarwood, grapefruit, and jasmine, and it actually smells really good too. Went ahead and followed up with my shower, and now we're rinsing out the conditioner, y'all. Washing my hair after 2 months. Yes, I missed the silk press already, but it feels so good having the water touch your scalp. If you get me, you get me. And boom, just like that, the curls are back. Whew, that was the best shower ever. So before we get into the rest of the video, I want to share with you all a few supplements that I've been adding into my routine lately. But recently I've started trying a few supplements from Ritual that I've really been liking. One thing that made me want to try Ritual in the first place is how transparent they are with their ingredients. Their products are made traceable, which basically means where their ingredients are from, why they're included, and how their formulas are tested. So the first one I'm taking is Essential for Women 18+. It's a clinically bagged multivitamin designed to fill in the key nutrient gaps for women ages 18 to 49. And it has this mint essence to it and 2 capsules a day. And it also has a delayed release design. It's gentle on the stomach. I can take it with or without food. And Ritual also did a 12-week clinical study where women saw increases in their vitamin D and their omega DHA levels. And I've also recently started taking Hyacera. Now this one right here is Ritual's once daily skincare supplement. It really works from within, not just on the surface. This one has a vanilla scent to it. Since adding the Hyacera to my routine, I've definitely noticed my skin looking smoother. Ritual actually ran a study on their Hyacera, showing that it reduces wrinkles and also improves your skin's smoothness. So y'all know we love that. Not that I don't love the other ones, but the reason that I really love this one is more than just a probiotic. This is a prebiotic, a probiotic, and a postbiotic, all in one capsule, designed to support a balanced gut microbiome and digestive health. Ritual Symbiotic Plus also contains 2 of the world's most clinically studied probiotic strains. Now I'm gonna be honest with y'all, probably TMI. Since I started taking the Symbiotic Plus, my bathroom schedule is a lot more consistent, and I cannot lie, I love that. 1 capsule a day. One thing that I can appreciate about Ritual's products is that they're third-party tested, and they're also vegan friendly, and little Miss Carla's over here, they're subscription based, so you don't have to worry about going out to get them. They just send it right to your door. So if you've been wanting to try Ritual, you can get 25% off your first order using the link in my description box down below, as well as my code allofdestiny25. And thank you to Ritual for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Skin is looking good, the curls are back, hair is soft, clean, and moisturized. Continuing with the L'Oreal line, I'm going to finish with the High Gloss Leave-In Serum for an extra boost of shine. This product can be used on damp or dry hair. And now that my hair is washed and prepped, we headed upstairs for a quick blowout. So once I sat down in my vanity upstairs to do my blowout, I'll be honest, I did not have a clear plan in mind for the final style. And honestly, that's the case. A lot of times when I do my hair, I'm usually just winging it. My hair's so clean. Oh my God, it's so clean, it's so black. I love it. I have been loving my Heritage Blowout brush. This brush has these unique bristles that both dry and smooth my hair at the same time, and it honestly saves me a lot of time compared to when I use my traditional comb attachment. And since we're not really defining the curls, because I know y'all may be curious if they came back after the silk press, there you are. Hello, hi to my curls. So sometimes this is my go-to routine. Like sometimes you're not always in the mood to style your hair. Some days you might just want it to be clean. So even though I sat down not knowing exactly what I wanted, I do know that I have a few hair reviews coming up. And honestly, y'all, I took a break to go downstairs and eat. And when I went downstairs, the package was already there and waiting for me. And since my line of work often revolves around me wearing different hairstyles, sometimes my next look is just tied to whatever I'm filming next. So today I decided to actually skip the flat iron and just set my hair with a few flexi rods and a little oil once we finish the blowout.
Don't leave your girl around me, true player for real. That's what for real. You baby. It's okay, girl. 'Cause I'ma be alright tonight.
Oh, I like this. I like this a lot. Look at the difference. Blowout versus natural curls. After a blow dry, blowout, whatever you want to call it, flexi rods really do give you a nice soft little curl. And you do want a stronger hold with your blowout. Definitely add a little bit of foaming mousse. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, and this blow dry brush, y'all, yeah, get into it. And pick up some of these jelly beans from Dollar Tree if you have not already. What's up with Destiny? Please. What's up with Destiny? What? I'm busy. You see me cooking food? Trying to preview this video? When you just yapping too much? You don't need me to do no more yapping. I'm busy. This is what we got so far though. Alright, we're gonna do like a little bit of pressing my hair out. So we're gonna use my Remingtons on 320. This is it for my hair. I actually went downstairs and I just saw that hair review I'm getting ready to do. The hair just arrived, so it does not make sense for me to put these two to use knowing that I'm finna braid my hair. So this is where we stopping it. Let's just consider this like a blow dry, a blowout. And if you missed it, I do have a full silk press tutorial linked here on my YouTube channel. I'll put it in the description box down below. Clean hair. I love it. I'm gonna throw a few flexi rods in it until I braid my hair down. I'm not gonna spend that time pressing my roots out. I don't need pressed roots to braid my hair down. But I'm happy that it's washed and clean again. Feels really good. I'm about to take a break, finish eating my Chipotle my sister got me. Watch a little Bridgerton. If y'all are wondering how my hair turned out, y'all, I did not get footage of it this time. I wore the blowout curls though for about 3 days. And lately I've been getting really good use out of my home gym, and y'all know you can't spot reduce fat, so I be getting a good sweating. What is the good balance between working out and maintaining your hair? Like, can I get on both? I don't want to choose. But either way, this is the only clip I have, y'all, of me eating my baked chicken. I wanted soul food so bad, so I ended up filming me eating my chicken. But looking for y'all though, at least I got a clip to kind of show what my hair turned out like. The more I started working out, I wasn't able to leave the curls down that way, even with me keeping the flexi rods in. So y'all know my go-to is a quick curly ponytail. Get into it. It's time for my weekly bedding reset. Usually on Fridays or Saturday mornings, I like to wash my bedding just to give everything a good refresh. What Drake say? Fresh towels and sheets, man, you gotta love it. It's just something about it when you climb into bed at the end of the night. Sheets pulled real tight, tucked on the corners, pillows fluffed. Okay, my bad, stay focused. Detergent, I love using Arm & Hammer. This is my go-to. I do switch it up sometimes just to try different things, but I always end up coming back to this one. And of course, gotta have the Clorox. Like, it gives childhood memories, okay? Gotta have the Clorox when I'm doing my whites just to keep everything nice and right. The only step that I didn't capture on camera happens during the rinse cycle. So that's when I add in the liquid blue one. I just mix in a few drops with some water, so it keeps the white bedding looking really crispy, really white. It's giving hotel vibes at the house. And that's a tip that I learned from Jackie Aina. If y'all follow her on TikTok, I know y'all saw her laundry routine. Alright, so while the laundry is going, we're gonna now start on my nails. So first I use the Kiss Glue Off to remove the previous set, clip those down. But first I want to give you all a quick update on the last set I wore in my last nail video, the BT Art Box press-on nails. So they claimed that they would last up to 4 weeks, and honestly y'all, I can say that they definitely did just that. My left hand lasted almost the whole time. Only a few of them kind of popped off around week 3. But I think for $21, this set really held up nicely. I think as y'all will see in the video, all of the right hand was already gone. Like, sometimes I glue them back on, but if we at week 4, girl, I'm not gluing it back on. We're moving on to another set. But today I do want to try something different. So these are the $7 Kiss press-on nails that I picked up at Dollar General. These are pretty. Girl, not this kit don't come with glue. Ooh, this is gonna be so pretty. Oh, come on, match your set. That's pretty. This is it. The way that I pick out my nail sizes, I sit the fake nail on top of my nail, and I confirm that I cannot see any of my natural nail from the left, from the right. And that lets me know I got the right size. I like to prep my natural nails. I like to push back my cuticles, gently file the nail bed, all the things, and that just really helps the glue to stick a little bit better. I personally feel like your prep routine is much more important than the nail glue you're using, but the nail glue is still important because how you supposed to put your nails on without the nail glue? Really understand I am a straight natural. Yeah, I like my hair straightened out more. So of course I got y'all covered because the girls always want to know. The nail glue I use is the Kids Power Flex Max Speed. She gonna be linked in the description box down below.
That's my song. Oh, I be forgetting about the camera. I hate when I do that. Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, that's cute. I apply glue to the back of the press-on nail and to my natural nail, and then I hold it in place according to the directions for 5 seconds.
I can't flip it. I can't flip it.
But me, myself, I like to hold mine for about 25 seconds.
The way I feel when you hold me, we gonna always be together, baby. That's what you told me, so I believe you. Cause why would I not?
What's up, though? What's wrong? I'm about to pull up on you right quick. I ain't ball you. You got a man. Fuck that got to do with me. Come outside right quick.
DJ on the beat, so it's a bang. Is you up right now? What you on right now? Is you drunk?
Thought I was recording, and I wasn't. But of course, y'all know I like to be a little extra, so I'm going to add in some of these 3D flowers that I got from Amazon. These were already in my stash, so girl math, this does not count. And then I'm going to use my Macquarie rhinestone glue. I think it's the 3D gel. I don't know. I'm going to link it down below. And if you're wondering why I chose to go with the short French, because I know this is so different if you watch my nail videos, you're like, what? She got short Frenchies? Yeah, my sister treated me to a pedicure recently. I didn't film that, y'all. I got some like short little TikTok content for it, but I honestly sat back, relaxed, and let that lady do my feet. Thank you. And I was like, oh, you know what? I'm in the mood for a matching set, because if the toes don't match, send her back, okay? Yeah, get into it. And then I cured everything under my 2015 UV lamp from eBay. And boom, nails done, hair done, everything did. But my goal this year is to really keep my nails done consistently, so I've really been setting reminders in my phone for my at-home nail appointments. At this point, I'm doing extra work for no reason, because who told me to whip out some UV gel on top of my press-on nails? I seen somebody do that, girl, but we can skip that step. These nails are shiny without it. They only gonna last for 7 days, not too much. I like to finish off with some cuticle oil and a little bit of my shimmer body oil gel. Yeah, I use it on my hands sometimes too. And just like that, my nails are done from home. I'm going to test these out to let you all know how they hold up, and I'll keep y'all posted. But spoiler alert, not all press-on nails are made equal. Let's start there. As I'm reading the back of this packaging, it actually says that wearing these beyond 7 days is not recommended. So we might be back with another nail video real soon. I'm going to keep y'all posted. Stay tuned. Nails are finished, laundry is finished. I went ahead and remade the bed and tucked all the corners in. Y'all, I thought I was completely done, and then I remembered that I have these Easter pillows in the upstairs linen closet. So of course I swapped out my regular ones for those. Y'all, they so cute. Fresh bedding, clean hair, new nails, supplements taken. Everything is looking oh so luscious and oh so good. I'm talking head to toe with it at this point. Like, did we miss anything? Everything is reset and I'm ready for the week or the weekend whenever you're watching this video. Don't forget to check the link in the description box if you all want to learn more about ritual. That is pretty much it for this video, and if you're still watching, let me know one thing you do in your reset and what day do you do it on. Questions, comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching. Bye. Another video down. Yeah, one take Drake. Get into it. Cue the outro music.
That's just how I'm living. Money and pretty women. Honey and fit.